Welcome to Mr. JC, your source for the latest AliExpress gadgets and exclusive deals.
Hey, YouTube fam! Today, we're diving into the world of digital creativity with the Gujadoc 12th Gen iPad Pencil, the ultimate companion for artists, note-takers, and iPad enthusiasts. If you're looking for precision, palm rejection, and tilt functionality, you're in for a treat. Stick around to discover why this stylus might just be the missing piece to your creative toolkit. Key features is: kick things off with the standout features. The Gujadoc 12th Gen iPad Pencil offers an impressive 20 hours of playtime, ensuring that your creativity doesn't hit a pause. With a standby time of 365 days, this stylus is ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. Stay in the know with the intuitive indicator lights. A white light signifies power on, while a smoothly vanishing light signals shut down. When it's time to power up, a red light dances during charging, turning solid red when fully juiced. Worried about battery life? The pen gives you a heads up with a white light flashing 10 times before gracefully dimming. Whether you're a digital artist, student, or professional, the Gujadoc 12th Gen iPad Pencil brings a new level of precision and convenience to your iPad experience. Ready to elevate your creativity? Check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, stay creative.